So, sabi nga nila, you don't need a lot of friends. You just need real ones. So, story time muna tayo mga Vax. There was a time na akala ko the more friends I had, the happier I would be. Yung lagi akong present sa mga birthdays, na-invite ako sa mga inuman, late night calls, kahit wala akong tulog, kahit pagod ako, go pa rin ako. Dahil I was the go-to person. Yes, the listener, the giver. So, ang dami ko laging kasama. Pero one random night, when I was the one who is struggling, I look at my phone. Tahimik, walang nag-chat, walang nag-check na, "Uy, bakla, okay ka lang ba?" Tapos parang hindi ako nag-i-exist sa mundong ito. So doon ko na-realize na hindi pala paramihan ng kasama sa picture. Hindi pala paramihan ng tag sa social media post at hindi pala pasayahan ng group chat. Yes, it's about who stays when the lights are off. And then dahan-dahan, I stopped forcing connection. I stopped chasing people who only needed me when convenient. And guess what? From many, naging tatlo. Tatlo na hindi maingay sa social media. Pero sila yung laging nandyan. Sila yung tatawag kapag may problema. Sila yung prasahin ka, putahan ka sa bahay nyo. Tapos nandun na sila sa tapat ng bahay nyo. Tapos biglang sisigaw na, "Hoy bakla, nandito kami sa tapat ng bahay nyo. Pag hindi ka lumabas, babatuhin namin ng tae yung bubong nyo." Kaya that's when I learned you don't need a lot of friends. You just need the right ones. Quality over quantity, mas okay na yung ako konti. Pero, totoo. Kaysa naman na marami nga, mga pakitang tao naman, plastikan lang naman yung samahan nyo. You only needed someone who checks on you without being asked. Someone who celebrates your wins without inggit. And someone who stays when life gets messy. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi paramihan ng kaibigan ang sukatan eh. Kung hindi, kung sino yung nananatili at kung sino yung nandyan. Yun lang. Thank you so much sa mga totoong kaibigan. Love you, friends!